Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for one more Blender tutorial. So today we will do quick smoke simulation, and also I will show how I made the smoke dancing video. So let's get this started. So let's add one sphere. So go to mesh, UV sphere, scale it little bit down, or you can keep it same size. Just right click, shade smooth, and you can do quickly like select the object, then go to object properties, quick effects, quick smoke, and as soon as you play it, just reset it to starting and play it so you can see the quick smoke. And just for now, at the lighting I will show how it will show in the render. So just have area light, scale it big, grab Z, keep it, keep the source light around 1200 watts, and just render it so you will see the proper smoke. You can see like this. So now let's go to the properties. So this is the domain. So we will go to the domain properties first. So you can see this is the gas type, resolution is 32. This we have to increase later for better smoke resolution. And these are the CFL timestamps. These are the collision what we want from all the sides. Adaptive domain will adapt like wherever the sphere moves, so domain will adapt accordingly, so it will automatically increase or decrease. And then there is a dissolve property, so this we need to do enable if you want to like dissolve the at how much time you want to keep the smoke. So this property will define that. Keep up the noise for having some noise in the smoke so it will look more realism. And this is the cashy part if we want to bake it, so we just have to select all and bake it, so we will have our uh, animation saved so that we will not lose any animation. And then if we go to sphere, so this is inflow type, and this is the color of the smoke is given, then density how much we want to keep, and if we have any vertex group we can add. And then flow source is mesh. This is the surface emitter, means how much far from the surface smoke will be coming, and volume emission means how much from the inner part of the mesh smoke will be coming. These are the initial velocity. If we want to give anything we can just click on checkbox. So these are the properties which we normally use. So this is the basic smoke simulation quick, and you can see how it is going. And you can see the smoke is now not resolving, means it's not retaining, so it's dissolving as we have this property checked, dissolve. If we uncheck, you can see the smoke will keep, it's not dissolving. And you can see the better smoke. If we just reduce the noise, you can see the effect noise, it's not looking real, so it's better to have noise and dissolve properties, render it. So you can see I will just render this, so you can see it's coming like real smoke. And for ball is coming, sphere we can just disable it, so if we render it, the sphere will not be visible. So this is how we do the quick smoke simulation. Now let's go to how I made that smoke dance video. So I will just delete this setup. I will keep the light. Now let's go to how I made that video. So first we need one character, uh, which will be like having some dancing steps. So we can go to Maximo and have one character and have some dancing steps and download it. So I already have character with some steps. So I will just import that character. You can see, so you can just scale it up a little bit, and then just same way click on object, quick effects, then quick smoke, and just reset it to starting. You can see the quick smoke here, so you can see, the smoke as soon as character moves outside the domain, the smoke is not coming because the smoke will retain in the domain only, so that we have to fix. And we have to keep like character also inside the domain. So we will just scale the domain on y-axis and also in the x-axis. So domain will be there, and then we will just have one plane for the base and the back wall. I will just have one plane, scale it up, just tap to select this and extrude to Z side, and that's it, and scale it X more. Okay, now just have that camera place here. Select the camera, Control Alt 0, so camera will be this. Just adjust the camera a little bit. So now it's proper. So if we just run it, so you can see the smoke. Now the all the properties are removed because we removed earlier setup, and now this is new setup. So you can see smoke is continuously going, and if we just render the image, you can see the character is visible and smoke is not getting dissolved. So let's fix the first dissolve thing. So let's select the domain and enable the dissolve. I will just keep it 2, and I don't want a slow. Sorry, I will keep it 3, and just uncheck the slow and just keep the noise factor. I will increase noise little bit, and if we just see, so now the smoke is getting dissolved. It's not coming for much time, and it's having little bit now movement like dance now, but still you can, the smoke is too thick. So let's fix that. Select the character and reduce the surface emission and increase the volume emission, thing like this. So now you can see it's not falling, so let's little bit reduce the more, and this also zero point 0.6. So you can adjust this setting based on the like what animation you want. So you can see now the smoke is actually coming as a dance, like moving as a character is moving. So all the shapes and everything is coming like that. And if we just render at particular, you can see the steps. So okay, let's disable the character. I don't want to be character to be seen, so now you can say it's visible, but yeah, you can say it's too blurred. So we have to fix that by resolution, so we will do that. So let's first just add some simple background. I will just have red color, which I have in my video also. And yeah, if you just render it, you can see it's coming like this. And just render the image, so you can see, means you can adjust the lighting little bit, rotate it, or just put it more top and increase little bit more light. Yeah, now it's better. So I'm just keeping it simple, right? I just focusing on how we can make the smoke dancing video. So it will be like this, and if we just do, you can see the dancing, the smoke is properly working. So this is how. So now remove the blurriness. So first we will move to shading viewport before updating the resolution, and then first we will update the render engine to GPU compute. Then select domain, go to physics properties, and then update the resolution to 320, and then just go back to first frame again, reset it. So once it is reset to 1, so let's render it. So now you can see the proper smoke with the perfect shape, everything. So and just now we will just animate it. So we'll just save the, we'll just have these properties, GPU compute, and these things denoise, and these things we can keep it same. go to the output, update the folder, and I just edit the folder, and we will keep png format. So if anything happens in between, so we will have the capture of like how much we have progressed. If we change it to ffmpg, if something is broke, so we have to start it again. So you can keep the compression 0 or 15%. So for me 15% is good. Then apart from that, so you can bake the simulation first, so your animation will not go anywhere. So just select all, and then so when you call, so all the frames will be baked and your animation will be saved, and just render it. And then you can, using any video editing software, you can just combine the frames, and yeah, you can, so that you can do the animation like that. So I hope this helps in understanding the quick smoke simulation. If you like this video, please subscribe and the my channel and like this video. I will continue uploading more tutorial videos. Thank you.